Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you 100 pieces tire repair rubber nails kit with 4 sizes. This is going to give you a power of fast tire repair. Let's open it and see. There we go. We have all the cleaning tools here, and this is how you're going to take out the nail. And here we go. These are rubber nail kits. Let's check one of them. We have 4 different sizes. How about the blue one? Yellow. This is very small. And white. Here we go. Let's check all 4 sizes. And here we have the screwdriver. We have a flat tire right there. It's right here. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and choose the correct size. And I will go ahead and take this out. Let's see if it's gonna work or not. We're gonna go ahead and test with our saliva. Nothing is coming out. That's wonderful. Definitely suggested. Let's go ahead and put it back. It's easy. You don't need to do anything else.